Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a new Spring Boot application. So let's get started. Let me search here Spring Initializer. As you can see, the official website of Spring Initializer. From this, let me select the project type that we have, Maven, language that we have, Java, Spring Boot version that will be a default 3.4.4, group that we have, com.pol, artifact that we have, pol Spring Boot, description let me add here, following application, package name that we have, com.pol, packaging that will be a jar, Java version that we will use 17. Now I'm going to add the dependencies in our Spring Boot application. First we have the Spring Web dependency. After that, let me add the dependency for Spring Data GPA. With this, let me add the dependency for Lombok. Fourth, we have MySQL driver. Now let's click on the generate button. As you can see, the downloaded file. Let me extract this. I'm going to open this folder inside the IntelliJ IDE. As you can see, the project structure, where we have the main file inside the src, and as you can see, the resources package, where we have a file that we have application.properties. This file will carry the configuration for our Spring Boot application. After that, let me open here pom.xml. This file will carry the versions of the Spring Boot application. Along this, it will carry the dependencies as well. So as you can see, a list of dependencies that we have added in Spring Initializer. Let me set up the SDK where we have a Java version 17. That's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Take care.